Hey guys, on this video I will show you the features of the PatientXpress dashboard. First on our list, I would show you where you can find the patient forms or the patient overdue forms. So as you can see here on the right hand side of your screen, forms requiring patient signature here. This is our patient here on the front. This is just a test patient, right? And once we click on the patient appointment, you would see these functions here. You would see if they have active insurance, if they have insurances on their account there. And then in order, you can also attach forms from this page. Click on attach consent. And you just need to select the form that you wish to send the patient to. Let's try to click on the registration. And hit OK. And then you can either sign it right now, which would lead us to the next page. We can send an email, send text, or send both of those messages over. You can also view here the treatment plans for this patient. You just need to click here on the medic bag. So if there's no treatment plan, it would not show up here. You also have like an electronic prescription. And once you click it, this is the page that it will show. Unfortunately, patient doesn't have a city state zip code since this is just a test patient. You can also look at the you can also verify insurance from here. So if I click here on the tooth and an eye, it would lead me to a page as to where it would give me like the details for the patient. And then we can also check the existing SMS on your Open Dental through the web. Just need to click on the SMS module here. And you would see here the details. You can also reply to this specific message from the web. There, you can type here your message. And just click on the send button. And that's it. You can also look for a test patient from here. Go to your test. Just need to wait for a couple of seconds depending on how large your database is. There you go. So those are just limited options of our PatientXpress dashboard. Alright, thank you so much. You have a great day.